Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. As we were on the chapter Gulliver and Lilliput, today we are going to do workbook work. So open your workbook page number 2. Here you will see a box with 3 lines. Word, definition and sentences. Consult your dictionary. Our first one is given to you. Here the first one is solved for your help. The first one is voyage. Voyage is a noun. Definition is a journey, especially one in a ship. And the sentence is this ship is not fit for an ocean voyage. So what you have to do, you are going to look out these words in the dictionary and then write down the definition or the meaning of these words here in the definition column, and then after writing the definition, come to the sentence part and then make a sentence of it. For example, you have a word fright. Write down what is fright. Fright is a noun, verb, adjective, whatever it is. It is written in your dictionary. After you have written that what it is, write down the definition in the definition column, definition of fright. And once you are done with the definition, write down the sentence of fright, or you can make sentence of your own self. Next you have spare. What is spare? Spare is a verb, noun, whatever it is. Write down in the column, in the blank given to you, and in the next column, definition of spare and then sentence. Then next we have platform. What is it? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, whatever it is. It will be given in the dictionary. Look at the dictionary carefully. Write down the definition of it and then sentence. The last we have pleased. Definition and then sentence. Watch the video carefully and solve workbook page number 2 and 3. For workbook page number 2, consult your dictionary and solve workbook page number 2. What you have to do, students, I am going to tell you again. Listen to it carefully. Open your dictionaries and your workbook. Look out for the first one, that is fright. The first word is fright. Write down what is it, noun, adjective, adverb, whatever it is in the given blank here. It is given in the dictionary that what the word fright is. After that, write down the definition of it, or you can say meaning of it in the column here, in the column of definition. Once you are done with the definition and this, you are going to write down or make down the sentence of it. Use the word fright in your sentence and then complete the rest by yourself. On page number 3, we have Unit 1, Gulliver and Lilliput, recall the story. Recall the story we have done in the previous week. The first is title. Title is what is the story? Gulliver and Lilliput. After that, what is the story mostly about? That means you have to write down that what is the story about. What happened in the story, or main point of the story. What is the main message or point of the story? And then write 2 things you found interesting in the story. That means you are going to write down the thing that you find interesting or you love the 2 parts you loved in the story. After then, alphabetical order. Write the given list in a ABC order. Here some words are given to you. Write them in an alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means from A to Z. From first we have alphabet A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You are going to write in alphabetical order. The first one comes first. Here that we have several, arrow, stakes, spears, cross, string. Okay, the first is arrow and across. What comes first, arrow or across? Obviously across comes first because we have C after A, and in arrow we have R after A. So C comes in the alphabetical order first. So you are going to write across and then arrow, and then the rest you are going to do by yourself. I hope this is clear to you. If it isn't clear, you can ask in the group again.